Ahoy Pirates! This video will give you a full-on review of the closest ski field 30 minutes from Sapporo in Hokkaido, Japan. Easily accessible daily for both beginners and advanced snowboarders and skiers. After 2 winter seasons living in Sapporo, this is my favorite ski field on weekdays, while working evenings. It's faster to access from Sapporo Station or Odori, and public transportation as well as ski tickets and food is way cheaper than at any other ski field around Sapporo. I will show you later in the video how to find the map links and the full guide. When you arrive at a ski field, it's like stepping into a snowy fairy tale. Everywhere you look, there's a magical white carpet covering everything. And the mountains covered in forests make it even more amazing. Whether you're good at skiing or snowboarding, or just trying it out for the first time, being here feels like a dream for everyone who loves snow. It's only a 30-minute ride away from the Sapporo city center by public transportation. I will show you later in the video how to get there on a budget by public transportation daily and how to get discounts on ski tickets. Believe it or not, I bought my season pass for less than $200. Here's a small view of the slopes and the ski field, but I'll show you later a more into-depth guide with a 3D map. The beginner's paradise. For those new to the slopes, the ski field offers a fantastic learning environment. The gentle slopes and well-groomed runs are perfect for beginners to fall in love with the sport. The dedicated instructors are friendly and patient, making the initial stages of learning to ski or snowboard a breeze. They are instructing in English and Japanese, but you must book beforehand. By the way, you can book me privately as well, because I'm a certified snowboard instructor. The magic of the ski field lies in its ability to make first-timers feel right at home in the snow and gives a local Japanese calm atmosphere. In the main hut, you will find a ski and snowboard gear rental shop, so you can come with your usual clothing and can get dressed properly here in full gear. You can also rent snow toys and sledges. The ski field is very family-friendly. There are different sizes of lockers for one-day usage and changing rooms next to the really clean and heated Japanese toilets. What a treat in the winter, I'm telling you. Let me show you the ski field and the different slopes. The ski field overlooks the ocean and the Sapporo city center. You can imagine the sunset views from here. From the main hut and reception in the middle, you will find 2 chairlifts for beginners. The highest lift will take you to the top with an amazing view. In the west, you will find more flat slopes through the forest, and also racetracks and big jumps for mogul skiers. At the bottom, you will see an Olympic-sized halfpipe, which was built up in February. And on proper powder days, I can recommend the untouched slopes in the east. Now let's talk about the adrenaline junkies, like me. Benkei isn't just for beginners, it's great for advanced riders too. The variety of runs, from challenging powder to thrilling moguls, the wide open spaces invite you to push your limits. And what I love the most is riding the powder through the bamboo fields. Snow conditions. The snow conditions are very stable from mid-December onward until the end of February. I experienced multiple days of hip-deep powder on weekdays, where I could just take the lift up and ride lines on the virgin slopes with no one around. That's what I call Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between, shred the like button so more people can experience the dream of Japan. Please be aware to always wear a bear bell. Last season, a bear and a cub were seen very close to the ski field. Unfortunately, due to climate change, the poor bears can't get into proper hibernation so well anymore and of course are seeking food. Please find a full guide on what to wear for skiing and snowboarding as well as where to buy a bear bell in this video here. The powder is consistently fantastic, providing that delightful resistance beneath your board or skis. Even during peak hours, the snow quality remains top-notch, making each ride down the slope a smooth and enjoyable experience. In the whole season, I only experienced ice for a couple of days in March. Be aware that weather conditions can change rapidly. The ski field also has an Olympic-sized halfpipe, which is truly a spectacle to watch. I even met the Japanese Olympic team here because it's one of their main training sites. Professionals as well as locals and even very young kids are having fun here. Please be aware of the rules if you would like to use it too. Japanese people are calm and patient while lining up after each other for the halfpipe. You will encounter Japanese military training here as well, as Japanese Olympic skiers jumping crazy flips in one of the snow parks. And how sweet is that? Free tissues at any lift station. Aww! I've never seen something like that anywhere else in the world. If you have been to Japan before, you probably recognize there are a limited amount of trash bins anywhere. But hey, look what I found here on top of the mountain. A trash bin with a scenic view over Sapporo, especially at sunset times. Can you spot the ocean? Beyond the slopes, the ski field offers a glimpse into the Hokkaido lifestyle. The cozy lodges, the aroma of hot ramen, and the local atmosphere gives a true taste of the Hokkaido lifestyle. The restaurants in both huts offer local Japanese and affordable food options. My favorites are the mountain vegetables, ramen, and the crazy hurricane potatoes. The food is very diverse and the menu is great even for vegetarians and vegans. You simply select your food from the English menu, but be aware you can only pay in cash. You can pick up your food at the restaurant with your ticket. If you're tired of sport, you can also just relax inside of the restaurant, close to a fireplace, and watch the calm snowfall and happy people outside. The inside space is called Berghütte. So German. By the way, calling all digital nomads out there like me, the free internet is so good and stable here that I sometimes even work next to the fireplace in the Berghütte. It's not just about the sport here, it's about embracing the snow culture connection with like-minded adventurers and respecting nature. Public transportation access. Navigating to the ski field is a breeze, thanks to Sapporo's efficient public transportation. From Sapporo Station or Odori Station, you can take the bus or the metro to Maruyama Koen. At Maruyama Koen, you will find a dedicated bus running every hour to the ski field. Be aware to have cash on you because the public transportation card does not work here. One trip costs you 210 yen. Or if you go daily like me, you can buy those cool old-school bus tickets. You can pay and feel like back in the 90s. Hop on the bus from Maruyama Koen and you will find yourself at the base of the slopes within 15 minutes. Be aware that your ski and snowboard needs to be covered in a bag, otherwise you are not allowed on public transportation. This accessibility makes the ski field an ideal destination, especially if you're exploring Hokkaido without a car. By the way, the ski field operates from 9 a.m. in the morning until 9 p.m. in the evening. And if you want to save a bunch of money, buy the early bird season pass for 30,000 yen instead of 60,000 yen at the beginning of October. So to sum it up, Sapporo ski field is like a snowy paradise for all kinds of winter fans. If you're new to skiing or snowboarding and want to try your first slope, or if you're really good and want some exciting challenges, it's the place to be. The awesome snow, the cool vibe of Hokkaido, and how easy it is to get there by public transportation makes it a super cool spot for everyone who wants an awesome winter adventure. If you are interested in season passes for Hokkaido, I created a full video guide here. I hope this review helps you plan your next snow adventure. If this video is helpful for you, a subscribe would mean the world to me in finding my real audience. Please find all the links in the description. Check out more videos about their nomad lifestyle and how to organize skiing and snowboarding in Japan on this channel. See you in the next one. Cheers and live your ikigai!